Hi guys, welcome back to the Alpha Crypto channel where I talk about cryptocurrencies, airdrop and everything in the crypto space. If you check my video, you see I've done a lot of videos on cryptocurrencies, so many videos that you can take your time to check out at your free time. I make videos almost every day, so if you subscribe to this channel you would not miss out on interesting and quality content. At the moment I have over 1,710 subscribers. We're looking forward to hitting 2,000 subscribers very soon. Without wasting much of your time, like I do from time to time, I saw a coin pumping massively on CoinMarketCap, and I decided to quickly make a video on that coin. So I'll go back to CoinMarketCap, right? I'll go back to CoinMarketCap, reload it, so that you guys can see this cryptocurrency that I want to make a video on. I just hope my network will permit me to do this because my network is kind of slow. Okay, so look at it. Floki Gravity, this coin has pumped over 197,562%. It's actually over 200,000% Floki token, and I'm going to do a video on this coin now, review the coin and tell you guys everything I can say about the coin. Now, one thing about my video is the reason I do this video is because I know that when the coin is pumping massively like this, a lot of people are considering investing in the coin and they don't have quality information about that coin, so they might end up investing money and losing money. So what I do is I make videos on these coins that are pumping with the mindset that if I can see anything that can alert people, maybe to know that the coin is a scam or the coin is a legitimate cryptocurrency, I can inform them. While on the flip side, if I make a video like this and I'm not sure and certain about the project, a lot of people that have bought the coin in the past, they come to comment on my video, so that alone is enough to help people in my community to know whether the coin is a scam coin or the coin is not a scam coin. So I'm saying all this to just quickly allow my network load, but the way it is going, it seems like my network is acting up this evening, and you might just give me a second to pause this video while I quickly check what is wrong with my network. Right, oh, finally it has opened, so let's go. This coin has pumped over 204,639%, 204,639%. so my plan is to check whether this coin is a scam or this coin is not a scam. First and foremost, there is no fully diluted market cap. There's no market capitalization in this token. We can only see that it has a trading volume of over $693,000. so no diluted market cap, no fully market cap. That is not a good sign. Let's continue to check. There's an official website on this token, so I'm going to open this official website. This token is created on the Binance Smart Chain, so it's on the Binance Smart Chain. I can copy this contract address and check about this token on BSC Scan. From here, there's a Telegram group, a Discord group, a white paper, and they have a community on Medium, on Twitter, and on Reddit. Right, so I'm going to move down before I do some technical analysis. Right, from what I can see here today, this is just today. Now around okay, this was around 7:07 p.m. 7:07 p.m. like almost 1 hour plus ago. 7:07 p.m. yeah, this coin was very low with market capitalization of $520, and 7:07 p.m. the coin was 0.0000357 cents. And if you check, when it got to 7:22, from 7:07 to 7:22, in less than 20 minutes, around 20 minutes, this coin went to 0.626, from 0.3574 to 0.626. then it moved high, and let's check. Okay, it continued steady like that, and it kept increasing, and this is 8:37 p.m. This coin is, the market cap increased to 634, and it's 0.0012. and if you check now again, it's now 0.000917.8. the price movement is not moving the way I expect it to move. It's just pumping up, coming down and stuff like that. But if you look at the time now, this is 8:47 p.m. and right now the time is 8:53 p.m. so let's look at this cryptocurrency and what this cryptocurrency is about. One thing I've learned over time making videos like this is that when the coin begins to pump 200%, 300%, I mean 200,000%, 300,000%, massively, most times the coin is a rebase token, and when this coin is the rebase token, there is a common thing that happens to all this rebase token, and that thing is that once this coin begins to pump, your money in your wallet begins to reduce. A lot of people keep complaining that once their coin is pumping and is going up, the profit, the percentage is pumping massively, their own token, their money begins to burn, and the value of the coin in their wallet begins to reduce. And I hope this coin will not be among those coins that will fall into that category. So let's read about the cryptocurrency. So they said Floki Gravity is the first born Floki from the newly introduced elastic supply token meta. This means that Floki supply total number of tokens is always decreasing. The token is always decreasing, leading each token to a mathematically guaranteed price of over $1.3 million. Supply and price changes happens every 4 hours, and if they were already manually triggered by the Floki hammer and they are called rebases, this is a rebase token too, guys. I will tell you not to invest in this cryptocurrency. That is it. That's all I wanted to confirm from here. This is a rebase token. There's a way this rebase token work. I don't understand it perfectly, but what I know is that most times when a coin is a rebase token, once the price begins to go up and it begins to pump massively, the value of the cryptocurrency, the value of your money begins to go down, right? So let's leave this part and let's just go to BSC Smart Chain, the Binance Smart Chain. Before I get to Binance Smart Chain, let's check the official website of this coin, the Floki Gravity coin, right? They said this coin is a pioneer, the Floki that will never fall, combining newly introduced elastic supply mechanism. The coin will be going up, but your money will be going down. Basically, that's what I can take from this coin. If you think contrary, don't forget to leave a comment and tell us your experience about this cryptocurrency or what you think about it. Now, Floki Hammer rebase. Floki Gravity is born Floki from the newly introduced elastic token meta. This is the same thing that we saw on the Binance platform that we are seeing here. 2% airdrop, pre-sale, liquidity, the bond, transaction tax, and the coin charges 9% transaction tax with 3% liquidity, 3% buyback, and 3% marketing. So guys, that is what I can see from this coin. I'm going to copy this contract address. This coin is not the kind of coin I advise anybody in my community to invest in. Forget the fact that it is pumping, just avoid this coin. If you avoid it, most likely you're going to lose money. But if you have invested in this coin, you have made profit, kindly inform us so that we can learn from you actually. But the reason I'm doing this is because the cryptocurrency is pumping massively on CoinMarketCap, and I'm sure a lot of people will be looking for it to see if they can invest in it or not. And I just want us to have a community where we can comment. You can do your own research and give me your research about this cryptocurrency, right? So this is the BSC scan. From information I can see here, there's nothing much here. The value of this coin in BNB is like 612 BNB. The token is worth $6,508. This is the contract address of the person that created the token. Let's see the last minute's transaction. 1 minute ago, there have been transactions on this token, right? A lot of people are actually buying this token, but most likely they're going to come back to complain that this token is a scam. Yeah, because it's a rebase token, and once the token price is going up, your money will be reducing. That is what I understand. Guys, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, turn my bell post notification if you find my content interesting, so when I drop interesting videos like this, you'll be among the first to see it. If you have a contrary opinion, please kindly comment and tell us what you think about this coin. Bye for now, and I hope to see you in my next video when I drop another interesting content.